Hello and welcome to Benussi Law TV. Today we're going to talk about children law cases, and I'm delighted to tell you that I'm joined by Georgina Burrows. Georgina has worked at Benussi Co for the last 8 years, and she has had what's called a portfolio career, in that in her earlier days she was a verger at Birmingham Cathedral, but happily for us she came back to the law. Georgina, you specialise in children cases, and I would like to say to you that it's my experience that we don't have very many children cases in this firm. So could you tell me why?
Well, we try to avoid children cases where possible. Parents are the best people to make decisions about their children's lives. They've known them all their lives and they are best placed to make those decisions, rather than a judge who has never met their children and frankly may not have even had children themselves. Children, although precious, are not possessions. These days the law's very clear that children should be able to have a home with both their parents wherever possible.
It sounds like some parents might end up as lone parents. So what advice do you give to clients finding themselves with sole custody of their children?
Well, sadly, we do still come across those cases where, for one reason or another, a parent becomes absent. So one parent, and it still generally is the mother, ends up with sole care of a child. What I would say to those people is you only have to be a good enough parent. You don't have to be Superman or Superwoman to bring up your children. If there's something that you aren't able to provide for your child, find someone else who can do it. Build yourself a good support network from very early on. Sole parent doesn't have to mean an alone parent.
I hope those words were valuable to you if you're watching and you know that you have difficulties in the aspects of your children's care. Georgina is a valuable member of the team because she is a safe pair of hands. She's always sensible, and her main worry and her main concern is that the family, and particularly the children, come out of the divorce process in the best possible way. That is her concern, and that is her goal.